let's do a wig install tutorial on this Amazon wig. So it's basically like an Amazon wig install tutorial. So anyways, first things first, you need a cream foundation. I saw the TikTok girl is using this on their wig installation, and trust and believe, it has actually changed the game. It allows the lace to look more natural and it melts better. So for my melting spray, I am using the Dola Hair melting spray. They do have it in the kit, and as you can see here, I just drop it on my fingers and it instantly starts to melt into my scalp. I do love this. It's chef kiss. I didn't want to use any glue, so it's like a glueless wig install tutorial, if that makes sense. I'm going on with my wig band. You do need that, and I actually am using the wax stick. I purchased this on Amazon. I do not remember the name, but I love it so much. It's top tier. So my hot comb was pretty hot, and from what they did, like the hot comb just super hot, and I can't tell you why. And I'm just making all these ugly faces while flattening down the front, and I don't get why. This is like a 7x7 closure wig, and I do love it. It's close to like a full frontal. Close, but not so close. I'm going in again with my Ruby Kiss foundation for my closure wig install, just to make some final touches before I move on. So I'm going to be moving on to my edges video in the next clipping, so make sure you come for that. Bye.